Good morning, my lovely people. How are you doing? I hope you are doing well. Right now, I'm in Ndola, Maparo area. This is where I am right now, and I'm taking this video in this beautiful area here in Zambia. My name is Timothy Hara, and on this channel, what I do is I promote Zambia, I promote places, I promote tourism, and I promote different things around the country. Now, there is an issue that I really want to talk about, and this issue is concerning the USAID. Like I told you last time to say, Zambia is a country which depends on some aids from other countries, and these aids help Zambia from disasters, helps Zambia from poverty, and helps Zambia in different ways. So 80% of the things that have been funded, they've been coming from this aid, the US aid. So to some of you, sorry guys, it's just early in the morning, so you can see the clocks are clocking. So this agency is an agency which helps African countries in around the world. And the other thing is that if this agency was about to shut down, just like Elon Musk said, and just like what is trending on the ground, then which means a lot of Zambians, they're going to suffer. They're going to suffer. Listen, me, I've been to different schools, and I've shown you different schools around the country. Here in Zambia, you've seen a lot of schools. Those schools, they're being funded by this aid. As Zambians, it has been a problem to wake up, like to do our own thing. You see, imagine if ARVs and other medicine, they've been removed from the country. They are like they stop supporting us. Where are the people? More especially the ordinary Zambians who cannot afford. So the US aid is so important to the country. But what is so important is us to stand on our own. And this is the fact. Is us to stand on our own, to start helping ourselves. You can't imagine 60 years down on the line, we'll be just relying on these people without waking up. These are the effects and these are the problems. And that's why we are crying. Think about how many jobs they're going to be lost. Think about how many people they're going to die if they stop funding, because there will be shortage of medicine. And if I say this, Zambia has been experiencing shortage of medicine in the country for a long time. While 80% of the money comes from those people. Even the money that these guys from the hospitals, the nurses, the doctors, the whatsoever, the teachers, they get paid comes from the same aid. So this is what is happening, and this is what is on the ground. But to those people who have been supported by this aid, where are you going to go? Where are you going to go? What are you going to do? Every time when I'm on this channel, every day, when I'm about to talk about investing, you building your own thing, you people, some of you are thinking like, no, you just love saying that. You just love doing that. Hmm? Why can't you just concentrate on your own rather than trying to make people wake up? I always try to make sure to tell you to say, guys, if you've got a passion for schools, you want to build a school, or you are working as a teacher at a certain school, you've got a passion, why can't you open up your own? If you've got a passion for this little business, why can't you open up your own? Some of you, you know the sources where to get those things, You know the sources, like, okay, if I was to set up a school, if I was to set up a simple clinic here, the source, I'm going to get this from this person, I'm going to go there, they're going to direct me, and I'm going to be helped. You know those sources, but you can't do that because you've relied on the same things, you see. Because these people from this aid, they get a lot of money, I'm telling you. They get a lot of money. Zambians, they rely on those money. You find that somebody is getting paid 30,000 kwacha. 30 pin. So now imagine that money. You haven't built your own house just for the sake of trying to embrace yourself, embrace your family, and you are renting a house which is more than the money that you get paid. They're doing things that they can't afford, but they can afford them at that time, but they can't afford. 30,000 is just a small money, a brink of money. The people have got money, I'm telling you. Now, you're getting 30 pin per month, and you're renting a house in Kansenshi or Itawa, which is costing 15 pin. You're going to remain with 15 pin. And then the cost of living is so high in African countries. And never be misled to live a medium or a low life. It's a good life. And the people that you see around, people like living in these kind of places, they've got money, and some of them, they've got money. So I'm trying to say this because I just want us to know what is really happening with this aid. I'm just scared and nervous of the schools, the schools. So guys, I'm in Maparo, quite all right. And this is a school. This is the offense for the school. This is Maparo secondary school. Oh, sorry, they've changed it. They've turned it into basic school. So, in Zambia now, we've gone back to the standards. We've gone back to the standard 1, standard 2, form 1, form 2. Yes, this is where we've gone. So this is Mapalo school. And these are the schools like that are being helped. When you go inside there, and I'm sorry, I'm just behind of it. When you go inside there, you go in, you're going to find that there is a platform or there is a wall where they've written the offense, the classes, and some other things. They are saying that it is written, it is being supported by the USAID. It is being supported by the USAID. Now, imagine if the USAID didn't help this school, how can it be? Can it be the same school? Or can it develop the way it has developed? No. And these are the problems that we are saying. But my question is, if they stop helping the health system, how are the health system going to survive? The nurses, the doctors, because a lot of them, they get money from that aid. That is my question, and that is my worry. As a country, or as a country which is trying to develop, let's look away from these things. Let's look away from these things. Let's wake up. This is just a wake-up call. It is a wake-up call to live on our own. You know, we love like to be fed, you know. We have to be fed. We don't want to fish our own fish. We don't want. We want somebody to go outside there, fish for us, and bring to us, we eat. That's the mentality of us Zambians. Even our culture, our culture doesn't include saving culture. We don't know how to save. We don't know how to save. If some of you, or if we are going to be deployed, or let me say, we are going to be chased from the place of work or fired, you find a lot of people suffers. Why? Because they don't know how to work. They don't know how to work. So if they are going to know and having that saving culture, then we are going to do something. So guys, this is Mapalo area. These are the houses that are being built for the school teachers. Mashuken. So this is what I'm trying to talk about in this video, guys. Let's wake up. Let's improve ourselves. And let's not look to these guys continuously. Thank you guys for watching. Remember to like the video, share, subscribe, click on the notification button for you to get all my latest videos. I'm so sorry that these days I haven't been like myself trying to post videos here and there. I just want to let you know that a lot of things are happening in my family. I mean, my family. A lot of things are happening, so it has really broken my heart, and I don't know what to do. And I'm going to update you one day what is really happening. But I think family issues should be private. Yeah, my family issues should be private. Like some issues which are going on should be private. But if God wills, because I posted my wife here, my child here, maybe I will address some of the issues. But at the moment, I cannot. I cannot, because I don't know what to say. So guys, thank you for watching. I'm out.